Please be advised, caller standing in front of the building here.
Are you on the phone with dispatch right now? Come here. Come here. Yeah. What's going on?
Is anyone shot?
I don't know. I just heard 2 gunshots.
You live there?
Yeah.
Who else is inside?
What's going on?
Inside.
My mother.
Who's it? Are you sure he jumped out of the window?
I jumped out the window. I don't.
Is he still in there?
Yes, he's in there.
2012. We have the caller outside.
Wait.
Mom's inside. He said he heard 2 gunshots. Sounds like suspect might have jumped out a window.
8 out of 13. The suspect should still be inside. The caller jumped out of the window. Okay, one sec. Can you go stand by my car, please?
Okay, sounds like the caller jumped out the window. The suspect is still inside.
8 out of 15. I'm with 12 and 22 at the apartment. The caller's by my car.
Okay, a caller is verifying the caller jumped out of the window.
Stay calm. Watch our right corner. No left in the corner.
Okay.
Which one? Right? First floor. Alright. Let's hold it. Let's get 2 more units.
Okay.
And then if you hear yelling, we're gonna have to just go in.
So we've located the apartment. It's going to be the bottom right, closest to the parking lot. We're tying it off right now. If anything changes, we might have to make entry. Is anyone inside the apartment other than our suspect?
Just stay inside.
His mother.
His mother. Don't know yet. Alright. Camera perimeter around the building. Hold on away.
Just hold straight back for it. I don't want to shoot it. I'm not saying you're not going to jump. I don't want to shoot from down.
No, that's fine.
If he comes out and
I was gonna think-
and runs this way, I don't want to start spraying.
Bottom apartment, bottom right apartment closest to the parking lot. You can set up the perimeter around the building.
12 right now, we only have 2 points of exit from the front door, and it's going to be the Delta side. Tell somebody over there, if he's with the guy, tell him to try to call his mom.
Okay. Hey. 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 Can you call your mom? Can you try to call her? Okay. Here, come here.
Was there any other discharge fire calls in this area?
You sure he's still inside?
Yes, he's still
Okay.
inside.
Did you hear any screaming, anything like that?
Are you okay, Mom? She said don't come. You said so. You said
Who is that?
that's him. I don't know who that is.
Are you able to talk to your mom? What is
She's
she
on the
saying?
phone. She said don't go inside.
Let me see. Go back over by my car, please. Hi, ma'am. This is Officer Dorsey. Are you okay? Hi, ma'am. Is anyone shot inside the house?
Yeah, that's all. We're just confirming. Unit B is in Baker, correct?
Is anyone shot inside the house? Ma'am. Ma'am.
Are we on the phone with her?
Yeah. But I'm trying to figure out.
Okay, let me know.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's well, we have an officer on the phone with the mother, who should be the only other occupant in there besides the
Ma'am,
possible suspect.
can you hear me?
We don't have any information right now.
How many people are in the house with you right now?
Believe that she has a job.
It's just you? What is your son doing right now? Okay, does he have a gun? Okay, where is the gun right now? It's in his hand. Okay, what is he doing with it? Say that again?
Mom's inside. Son's inside with a gun.
We're gonna modify our cover here. Let's take this car here.
Okay.
Take the car. We have more.
Okay, well, hold on. It's okay. Hold on. If he has the gun, can you tell him to put it down?
This is gonna be gun, not letting her do what he's wrong.
Did he shoot the gun yet, ma'am? He did. Okay, did he hurt himself or did he hurt you? So no one is hurt. Are you? What is he doing right now?
Yeah, it's been up here.
We have good perimeter.
Okay, all right, ma'am.
Okay.
Are you able to safely grab the gun from him? And what is he saying?
I think we want to evacuate at least the top.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Where is he right now in the house?
That way.
Okay. Ma'am. Ma'am, put the gun down. He's just walking around the kitchen right now with it, and the mom's trying to talk. Ma'am, can you hear me? Okay, are you able to safely exit? Ma'am, are you able to exit without him? She's like freaking out. She's like, ma'am, can you hear me? Are you able to exit the apartment safely without him? She says she can, but she won't. Okay, ma'am, I don't want, if...
Well, I got him. Find the gun. Where was it? All right, we got it. Cuffs! Hey, medic. Hold up. You want a medic? Yeah. You want to bring him out? Yeah, I will. It's tight in here. Clear space out there. Clear space. Back out. Everybody back out. Clear space. Jump. Coming out. got it? I got you. I wanted the stomach as well. I got you right now.
I need some medical.
What's he got? What's he got? It's in his lap. It's in his lap. Drop that fucking thing. Get off the ground. What are you starting? All right. Get medic in here. Get medic. Medic. Shots fired. Hey, the shots fired. Yes. What? I got him. Find the gun. Where was it? All right, we got it. Come! We recovered the firearm from the medic. Hey, medic. All right, hold on. You want the medic? Yeah. You want to bring him out? Yeah, I will. Stay in here. Clear space out there. Clear space. Back out. Everybody back out. Clear space. Watch out. The medic help. Coming out. Medics. All right, hold it.